We're in Mexico for HX 2025. We really wanted to run a convention that was significantly different than a lot of conventions. We actually really want to leverage the power of the network here for people to talk and meet with other very, very high-performing business owners.
It's a really exceptional group of people with a really great background of kind of diverse experiences.
It was very like just this inclusive feeling.
They have access to an incredible network, a whole bunch of some of the top performing construction companies.
Just a bunch of really like-minded individuals
who are then looking to, achieve that same or a similar goal.
And we put all those people into a structured program.
That to me is the most value I can derive from something like this.
Just hearing some different speakers on the stage today, they started where I started. If they can do it, I can do it.
I found a ton of value in coming to HX, not only in the speakers, but in conversation, walking around the resort, meeting and chatting with other contractors that are all kind of facing the same problems as I am. It was just a ton of value down here. I'm really glad that I came and I can't wait to get back to work.
Everybody is just so kind and willing to help, willing to share their secrets.
And what I've found is that they're the most giving and caring people, and they really want to see the others succeed.
I've really enjoyed collaborating with the other business owners this weekend. I think we've all learned so much from each other.
Iron sharpens iron, and you know what? You're never going to get anywhere in life unless you surround yourself with people who already know what good looks like. And what happens is you create this symbiotic relationship. We have companies in Highspire that are 60, 70 million a year, and we have other companies that are doing 2 to 3 million a year. They all provide value in their own ways.
To have the opportunity to be, like, you want to be in rooms with people who are doing the things that you hope to do one day.
It is a wonderful community. I feel like I'm being treated like a family member.
The energy, the people.
It's been a wonderful, wonderful few days. We've learned a lot.
Got so much out of it. Lots of wheels turning, my mind, like I'm ready to hit the ground running when we get home.